Guys, I'm Rudy and today I'm going to teach you how to create block lists with RTMKit. But first of all, you need to install RTMKit first in your plugin and activate it. And then you create page and edit with Elementor. And then later on you click the icon of RTMKit in your page and go to wireframe and scroll down and there is a block and scroll down again. There is a block list, you import it. Just need to wait. Here's a block grid, a block list. Here's category post, recent post. For advertising, here's the block list. And for the block list, you can change it as well. The post block, item spacing, you can change it like this one. Make it close. You can show feature image or not show feature image. Or you can put it on the left or on the right. Or you can put it on the top. You can put it on the right as well. You can put image resolution full with aspect ratio. You can show title and not show title. Like this one. Crop title by word. Can show content or not show content. Crop content by word also and show read more or not show read more. Like that one. And for the query, post count, you can change it, but you can select post and category as well, and offset, order by date, title, author, modified, order by name, and for the metadata, you can change the floating date like this one, disappear. Floating category as well in here. Can show metadata, not show metadata. Like this one. And for the read more, you can change this name. And you can put animation in here, button animation. Like this one. And you can add icon as well. You can edit this one later with your need in here. Recent post. You can change this one as well. Yeah, if you want to have a block list like this one, make sure that you install RTMKit in your plugin. Thank you. Install